Hi guys, today I wanted to introduce you a new project called Mediex. The medical device industry is one of the biggest industries in healthcare, which is driven by innovation and new technologies. The last decade has seen an unprecedented growth in innovative and improved technologies in healthcare. This has led to the development of state-of-the-art medical devices and catalyzed growth and advancement in the healthcare industry. The global healthcare market is predicted to reach 8.7 trillion by 2020, with individual health data under increasing demand from research institutions. Many groups dealing this domain could power personalized health as soon as 2018 by providing real-time solutions with their competitive diagnostics and healthcare systems. Multi-trillion-dollar markets tend to attract large organizations vying to control and centralized data for their own benefit and profit. Mediex is an emerging manufacturing company creating a broad range of medical equipment and devices. It will hold an initial coin offering for a revolutionary healthcare infrastructure project. In total, the company aspires to supply 500 million coins. The platform is built on advanced systems using Ethereum technologies in the field of medical devices. The platform provides an opportunity for its participants to solve their essential tasks, ensuring their health and the health of their loved ones by having robust healthcare infrastructure. Users are given a unique opportunity to participate with greater transparency. To satisfy the legal requirements, the Mediex coins will hold 10% dividends, which will be paid to their holders every 3 months. Its token will be made on ERC20 standard using Ethereum technology, while it will be available on exchange. Independent international auditors and consultants will be engaged in the storage control and expenditure of money collected during ICO. The Mediex team has been working in healthcare technology for a substantial amount of time, successfully creating high-end devices and instruments used in state-of-the-art hospitals and clinics. As you can see, we are already on their website at mediex.co. The page looks beautiful, it is very clear yet still quite entertaining. You've got some shortcuts up there, or you can open the white paper. Remember that it is one of the best source of information that contains detailed plans of the company. With the presentation of their team and philosophy, it is extremely important to check the white paper, no matter what ICO you are checking out. Naturally, you can also already buy the Mediex tokens, but for now, let's focus on the crowd sale details. So, of course, the MDX is an Ethereum-based token. The ICO will last for 2 months from July 16th until 26th of August, and the minimum transaction cost is only $10. On a crowd sale, the company plans to sell 370,000 MDX, and for $1 you will get almost 90 MDX tokens. As you can see, the soft cap is already reached, so right now the company is waiting only to reach the hard cap, which is set at $6 million. Let's go down. What about the Mediex? The Mediex aims to be the biggest and strongest medical platform of the medical instrument development industry. They combine things like manufacturing, clinics, hospitals, marketplaces, etc. Using this platform allows patients' data to be decentralized, easily accessible if needed. Let's now watch a short explainer video prepared by the company. Meet the Mediex advantages. Their work is certified and effective. They have a 100% pass rate on Medicare and Medicaid. 31% of their clients switched to Mediex, and 100% of them noticed an increase in their financial returns. The quality of account management is amazing. The company never write off any insurance company denials, and they will review every single one of them, and quite often they'll get these denials paid. The informations are secured on many levels. Several times a day they are running backups, and the servers are inside specially designed room where nothing bad could happen to them. About the specifications, most of it I've already told you before, so maybe let's skip that part for now. And the token allocation. The MDX token allocation will look like this. 74% will go to the public, 6% for the advisors, 12% for the team members, 5% for the partnerships, and the last 3% for promotion. Now, below the token allocation, we see the roadmap. Currently, we are here in July, and in September, the first version of the app will be available. But what is the vision of Mediex? The company wants to be excellent as a medical devices that they produce, and also in providing the services that are helping countless groups of people. So here you can check the amazing team behind this project. They are all quite young yet very experienced people. And if you want to know more about this project, you can always check the frequently asked questions or write them your own private message. I really enjoyed working on this project. It is a solid ICO with a great vision. So okay guys, I'm afraid that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon and goodbye.